Guys, who is this person? It's me. It's me. Hey, I was in the shower, kind of prepping my hair because tomorrow I'm gonna color it. I'm so excited. Okay, these are the colors that I'm gonna be using. This is Mud Pie. This is, what is this? Rose. It's like a burgundy brown. I may or may not, I don't know. But I'm definitely gonna use Mud Pie and Brick. And I have 2 bricks, I have 3. But I have 2 of these bricks that I'm gonna work with. And then I may add this clay as a highlight. I may also throw some other colors in here, but let's just see how it goes. Oh, why is that so high up? Oh, I think there's some on my, crap. I didn't want that. Okay, I can fix that, no problem. I can fix that. I love this color. I've always wanted my hair this color, brick. Oh, I've just always wanted this color. But I never wanted to dye it. Yeah, I like that. Okay. You can see the gradient. How it goes from dark to red to orange. That's exactly what I wanted. So I think what may be best is to go through and red everything and then come back and do the highlight. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take this, rub it between these fingers, emulsify it, start, make sure I want it like to be, yeah, like that. I'm gonna start here. Lay down. Okay, go down. This has a slight drying effect on my hair. Okay, so this side is done. And I'm gonna add the highlight now. My hair is very, like, it feels so weird. I don't really put product on my hair. Right now it's just reacting to the contents of this, which are water, cocoa butter, shea butter, and then the colors. Urea, okay, cool. Some fragrance, dimethicone and titanium dioxide. Awkward. Am I mad at it? No, I understand. It's probably a small percentage of dimethicone for the slip feel. I understand that ingredient, so I'm not mad at it. The good news is that this will not disturb my sebum. It's shea butter and cocoa butter, so it's literally like sealants for the most part. I don't see, there's nothing in there that would actually cut at my sebum, so I'm fine with it. And being that dimethicone is towards the end of the list, if it's less than 1%, she can put it anywhere on the list. If it's less than 1% of the ingredients, so I'm fine. I really am fine with that. We'll just see how this goes. I think I should have paid attention to the ingredients prior to, okay, I think this is done. Prior to spritzing my hair, like after as opposed to before. The silkiness of the product made me feel like it wouldn't be a big deal, but I'm essentially spraying water on top of a sealant and that dries out the hair. Ooh, my twist out's gonna be popping. Guys, I have red orange hair, guys, with highlights. Guys, who is this person? It's me. It's me. It's me. I really like the way this shows up. So I want to increase that. People. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, hello there. Oh. How did you dye half of your head? I spritz this and it's actually fine. So I think I can spritz everything when I'm done and style it. Shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, shouldn't be a problem. Let's get ready for this side. I am looking at a reference picture, okay? So that I'm not totally screwing things up. Am I an artist? No, I'm not. Not when it comes to colors and stuff. I'm just really, it was just a prayer and some wishful thinking. Spray just a little bit more. Okay. Okay, let's begin. Sure why my scalp is itching, but it is. See how this side you don't really see the highlight as much as you do over here, and it's just literally how I did the application. Everything over here, so much color transfer. Like, I'm not very happy about that. All right, guys, so this is my hair in direct sunlight right in front of the window. And I was feeling myself. I love this color so much. I love that it's red, but it's got like hints of orange. It's exactly what I wanted. So this is me in direct sunlight. And the next couple of clips you're gonna see is just me trying to maintain my hair the regular way that I do it with this wax on my hair. Taking my pup out, and there's color all over my gray shirt. And of course I step out today when it's raining. I didn't expect it to rain again. Good poop, Bubba. Good boy. So I'm putting on this red sweatshirt because it's the only thing that protects my clothes ish from this color. It's honestly it's really annoying, but I mean, what can you do? Hair color's popping though. This is me in the car. I think this is a couple of days later. Just wanted to show that there's still transfer. And then I think that's me the next day. I did like a high puff and the color was really, really popping. I really enjoyed that. And this is the next day, I think, or 2 days later. So again, these clips are over 45 days. This color stayed in my hair for 45 days. You can see by the time I'm ready to rinse, I think it has been 2 weeks at this point. I really tried to rinse it as much as possible. And so at this point, it's been like 2 weeks that the hair is in. I'm rinsing my hair. I noticed that there was like, I don't know what it was. There was something on my skin at the back of my neck that was always itching. I think it had to do with the color and like maybe my sebum and just like other stuff. I don't know. Whatever was on my hair that couldn't leave my hair because of the colorant was just stuck on my neck. So that was annoying. This color got everywhere, by the way. And she does sell a sealant, but I never bought it. I thought that flaxseed gel would do it justice because I read the ingredients of that one and I didn't like them. So I thought I could create my own sealant. That didn't work. So yeah, transfer all day, every day. So yeah, so I tried my best to go a week without rinsing. That did not work. So I rinsed my hair a couple of times throughout this process, and you can see in this clip here, this is me, just a simple little wash and go, nothing crazy, no gel or anything like that, just me and my sebum. And the color has faded. This is me in front of a window in my bathroom, and then this is another clip here of me in my bedroom. Same like direct sunlight, but you can see how the color has it just changes depending on the angle. I also tried a twist out. I had no idea that this twist out would be so poppin'. Like, I was so confused. Usually I don't do twist outs, but I really loved the way that this came out, and I think it had to do with like maybe the remnants of the, you know, coconut butter and shea butter and stuff in my hair. So finally, it's like a month and a half later and the color is almost out of my hair. Just almost. You can see tints of red. And then here is where my hair is back to its color. It almost looks even darker. Like, I'm like, oh, maybe I have black hair, but y'all know I have 1B hair. So yeah, I really enjoyed the color. I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoyed the hair paint, but I just I can't bring myself to get the sealant because of the ingredients. But if it was safe enough for my sebum, I would totally get it and I would totally do it again. It's been a year since I've done this, so I'm itching to color my hair again with the hair paint, and I have so many ideas, but I just don't want the color transfer. It was everywhere. It was on my toilet seat, it was on my pillowcases. Like, I couldn't do anything without that red following me. So I think that's the only downside to this. But if you get the sealant and if you apply it to your hair while it's damp, at least before you style, I'm sure you'll have much better results. So yeah, I really loved it. I love the color. I'm itching to do it again. I think I may get the sealant. I don't know, but I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks so much for watching.